Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. After that you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.